Hello guys, welcome back to the new episode of Tips and Tricks. In this episode, I will tell you about how to trace or see variable value while debugging your code. So let's declare a variable first. We can declare a variable of integer, character, or float of any type. But for now, I'm declaring a variable of integer type, integer a. And then I'm assigning some value to see that value in debugging mode while we are debugging our code. So I'm assigning a value a integer a is equal to 5. And then after assigning a value, let's build the program. When the build is completed, we need to run this program in debugging mode to see the variable value. But we need to put a breakpoint. So where should we put a breakpoint? So let's put a breakpoint on return 0 after assigning a value. And we put a breakpoint here and run our program in debugging mode. When the program will run in debugging mode, it stops on this breakpoint. Okay, so on the left side in run debug window, we can say see a colon 5, which represent a variable value in debugging mode. That's how we see a variable value in debugging mode using VS Code. So thank you guys for watching this video. Keep following my channel